Fernando, Babo Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are very happy to know na bumalik si Sweet Safari.
Yes.
This is a better version of Sweet Safari. Nakita ko doon sa fanpage nila, ang sarap ng mga cakes, grabe!
Yes.
So if you want to know more about their products, be with us in this video.
So tara, let's go!
Okay, so this is our table dito sa Sweet Safari, Arayat, Pampanga. First impression, grabe, ang lakas makasosyal dito.
Kumbaga, elegant. Mostly makikita mo gold, white.
This is a perfect spot for you to probably take your Instagram photo. Okay, so on our table, we have some of their products that they want us to try. No? So first off, do sa mga cakes natin. So what do we have for...
So sa mga supreme cakes natin, meron tayong white divine, and at the same time, meron tayong chocolate grandeur.
This is the cake to die for. No? Although, napaka-elegant ng mga nila, ng mga presentations and everything like that, no? These are very affordable, surprisingly. So siguro titignan ko muna yung chocolate grandeur.
Ano naman yung white divine?
Yung chocolate grandeur natin, no? It has a hard shell chocolate on top. So you have to really crack it, no? Para maka-penetrate ka dun sa pinaka-cake natin. Lakas makasosyal, brother.
So maliban sa mga cakes, meron din silang mga newly improved smoothies dito. So these are Frosserts. It's a combination of smoothie and a cake.
From the name itself, it's Frozen Dessert Smoothies. Very surprising na pwede palang gawing smoothies yung mga favorite cakes natin dito. So right now, they have a lot of variants to choose from. No?
So sa mga cakes natin, the available flavors are Red Vogue, Chocolate Grandeur, White Divine, Black Rebel, Emerald Bliss, Pink Smooch, Gold Demure, and Amber Glam.
Yung mga cakes na nakita ninyo kanina are also available for the Frosserts.
Yes.
Okay. For the coffee, they have yung mga hot brew. We also have cold brew. So this one, they call it Italian caramel. Wow! Ang sarap nito. So, this Italian caramel has coffee jelly at the bottom. Plus, I really like yung pagkakaroos ng coffee na.
Yung pink smooch nila. So ang sarap pala ng combination ng cream cheese and yung mismong smoothie nila. It will refresh you.
It's a perfect combination of cake, coffee, and smoothies.
Yes.
A lot of the customers, yung mga nakatikim na to, are already reserving for Christmas. So, why not call them right now para makapag-reserve na rin tayo for Christmas? Or, I believe any other occasions then this is really great for gift.
Like anniversary, birthdays. So, since ito yung mga perfect gifts sa mga loved ones natin, they can also available sa mga takeout. So, ang ganda ng packaging, elegant, gold. At the same time, pwede nyo silang i-take out on this paper bag.
Pinaka-takeaway sa akin is the place, the food, the ambience. Ang lakas makasosyal. But, surprisingly, yung mga cakes nila are so affordable. Yung mga Frosserts and even yung mga cold and hot brew natin are really affordable, surprisingly. Earlier na-mention natin yung mga available branches nila. Soon in December, available na po sila sa SM City, Pampanga. So watch out for that. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. And we'd also like to thank Sweet Safari, Arayat, Pampanga branch for inviting us. Again, guys, if you are looking for a special gift, you can actually take this home. Ang lakas makasosyal ng mga products nila dito.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also visit Sweet Safari.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until the next discovery,
Peace out.
bye guys.